In Chapter 3 of Brave New World by Aldous Huxley, the narrative takes a deeper dive into the dystopian world through a juxtaposition of scenes and lectures, revealing the philosophies and practices that underpin the society. The chapter begins with the Director of Hatcheries and Conditioning, DHC, leading a group of students outside to observe young children engaged in sexual play. This practice is normalized in this society, but is shocking to the students, indicating the extreme differences between the worldviews of the time before Ford and the current era. Mustapha Mond, the resident controller for Western Europe and one of the 10 world controllers, is introduced in this chapter. He is a critical figure within the novel, serving as an enlightened dictator who fully understands the mechanics and history of this brave new world, as well as the old world that preceded it. Mond's character is utilized by Huxley to deliver a thorough exposition on the history and philosophical underpinnings that led to the creation of the dystopian society. He begins his discourse with the quote from Henry Ford, "History is bunk," setting the stage for a lecture that both negates and exemplifies the importance of understanding history. Mustapha Mond details the catastrophic events that led to the current state of the world, including the 9 Years' War characterized by the use of anthrax bombs and poison gases, followed by a great economic collapse. He describes the critical decision humanity faced, either world control or annihilation. This historical account culminates in the establishment of a society built on stability as the ultimate need, achieved through the extensive use of the drug soma, which eradicates worry and enables a kind of superficial happiness. As the chapter progresses, Huxley employs a montage technique, blending slogans of the world state with snippets of conversations among characters. This stylistic choice emphasizes the saturated propaganda of the society, along with the superficial interactions between its citizens. In these exchanges, concepts such as the fusion of Ford and Freud's teachings, the pervasive use of soma, and the societal norms around sex and reproduction are explored. The chapter further introduces Bernard Marx, who will become a significant character as the narrative unfolds. Bernard exhibits skepticism towards the conventional happiness promoted by the state, showing a desire for genuine emotion and experience, setting him apart from his peers. Through Mustapha Mond's lecture and the various interactions observed in this chapter, Huxley delves into several themes central to the novel. These include the suppression and manipulation of history, the reduction of human experiences to controlled and superficial pleasures, and the implications of a society built on the eradication of individuality, pain, and true emotion. The chapter raises critical questions about the cost of stability and uniform happiness, presaging deeper explorations of these themes and the characters' journeys in the chapters that follow. If this video was helpful, please hit that like button and tell me what you would like to see in our next video in the comment section below. This has been another Bookly Crash Course.